Ever since the pandabuy raids, the rep community has been in chaos. Many thought buying high-quality replicas at a good price was a thing of the past, leaving people stuck with overpriced, low-quality sellers or the dreaded DH. But here's the truth. You don't have to settle for less. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy top-tier reps post-pandabuy raids, step by step. From choosing the right agent to finding the best products and shipping your haul internationally, I've got you covered. Whether you're a seasoned rep buyer or just starting out, this guide will make the process easy and stress-free. Let's dive in. Chapter 1. Finding products. The first method I recommend is using my spreadsheet. You can find the link in the description or comments via Linktree. Here's a quick tip. Pin the tab by right-clicking and selecting Pin, so it opens automatically every time. Also, bookmark it, Ctrl+D for easy access. The spreadsheet is packed with high-quality finds, including the best batches for shoes, clothing, and even accessories, which are updated daily. The second way to find products is through Reddit, specifically the r/fashion reps community. It's the largest forum for discussing replica products, sharing finds, and recommending agents. Use the search bar to look for specific items or browse through posts to discover new finds. For example, if you're interested in Jordan 4, click on a post, and you'll usually find a link in the post, caption, or comments. Copy the link and paste it into your agent's search bar, in my case, CNFans, to view the product and make your purchase. If you scroll down on the product page, you can see quality pictures of the shoe to make sure it's good quality and the shoe looks right. If the link directs you to a different agent, look for the product link button to access the original Chinese site, then copy and paste it into your preferred agent. Chapter 2. Purchasing products. To buy from the spreadsheet, click on the Weidian link, copy it, and paste it into your agent's search bar. This lets you view the product in your preferred currency and size. For clothing, measure your shoulder width, waist, shirt length, and pant length, then compare them to the size chart provided in the product details. If the chart is in Chinese, use your agent's translation feature, if available, or screenshot the chart and use an image translator. If you found the product on Reddit, you can ask the community for sizing advice by commenting on the post. Once you've added all your items to the cart, proceed to checkout. I highly recommend using PayPal for payment, as it offers buyer protection. After payment, your items will be shipped to the agent's warehouse, where you'll receive quality check photos before shipping them internationally. Click View Order to track the process. Depending on the agent, it can take anywhere from a few days to a month for your items to arrive at the warehouse. CNFans is my top choice because it's faster than agents like acbuy or AllChinabuy. Chapter 3. Shipping and declaring. Once your items are in the warehouse, review the quality check photos. If you need more pictures, you can request them for a small fee. Before submitting your parcel, I highly recommend doing a rehearsal shipping. This step ensures you pay for the actual volume and weight of your parcel instead of the estimated amount, which can save you money. During the rehearsal, you can also specify exactly how you want your items packed. For example, you can choose to fold shoe boxes or remove packaging for specific items. This level of customization helps optimize your shipping costs and ensures your items are packed exactly how you want them. If you prefer to handle shipping yourself, fill out your address manually. I recommend choosing shipping lines marked with a green shield and labeled Free Insurance, which covers your parcel if it gets lost or seized. For more guidance, check the CNFans subreddit for posts about hauls shipped to your country. When declaring your parcel's value, a common rule is to declare the weight of the parcel multiplied by 11. For example, if your parcel weighs 5 kilograms, you would declare $55, 5 times 11. This method works well for most countries, but if you're unsure, you can always check the CNFans subreddit for advice specific to your location. CNFans also offers an automatic declaration feature, which can be helpful if you're unsure how much to declare. If you accidentally declare too much or too little, CNFans can assist you in adjusting the value. To save on shipping costs, consider removing shoe boxes, which reduces the package weight. However, if you only want to remove boxes for specific items, don't use the global option. Instead, leave a note in the comments section with the product code and your request, e.g., remove packaging for item XYZ. For added protection, choose stretch film, vacuum bags, and corner protection during packing. These options help secure your items and make the package harder to open, which can deter customs inspections. Vacuum bags are especially useful for reducing shipping costs if you're sending bulky clothing. Once everything is set, submit your parcel. CNFans will weigh and measure it accurately, and you'll likely receive a refund since the initial shipping estimate is often higher than the actual cost, which covers your parcel if it gets lost or seized. Chapter 4. Tracking your parcel. After submitting your parcel, you'll see it on the shipping page, where it's packed and sent internationally. Once it's shipped, you'll receive a tracking number and a photo of your packaged haul. To track your parcel, use 17Track, a reliable tracking website that provides more detailed updates than most agents. Simply paste your tracking number into the site, and you'll see real-time updates including when your parcel leaves China, enters your country, clears customs, and is out for delivery. For example, one of my old pandabuy hauls was shipped via sea packet, which doesn't provide much tracking detail. However, most other shipping lines offer comprehensive updates, so you'll always know where your haul is, and that's it. You now know how to shop for reps after the pandabuy raids without relying on DHgate or overpriced sellers. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll do my best to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It means a lot. Happy shopping!